Nothing kills that feeling of depression or anxiety than hard exercising.
A lot of you are waiting to get motivated to exercise. It doesn't work that way. If you are exhausted, beat, like barely functioning, then no, I don't want you to waste energy. I want you to listen to your body and rest. But if you are pain-free and you have energy, use it. And if you're pain-free and you don't feel motivated to exercise or you don't feel energy, you should exercise because you'll actually feel better. People never are motivated to exercise until they've been exercising for like 2 weeks. Then they feel motivated. But it's kind of like when you started this program, right? In the first 2 weeks, you didn't even like the food. You missed everything. You wished you didn't have to do it. But most of you guys are like, I like my food. My salads are good. This is good. No problem. Exercise is like it. That's why it sucks whenever you get out of an exercise routine. Like I've done that, where once you stop exercising, after a couple weeks, you forget that you like to again. And you have to go through it all over again, where you have to just force yourself to do it until you want to.
It is. I call it emotional momentum because because what it feels like is you're trying to move an object that isn't moving. So you have to put it into motion, and it takes an enormous amount of energy to get a car rolling. You know, you ever try pushing a car, you know, for those workouts now people are taking these old cars, putting them in neutral, and that's the workout. We're going to push this thing.
Wild.
Well, from the stop to the start is like the hardest part. It requires the most amount of energy, and it gets a little easier, but it's still hard in the beginning. But once that car is rolling, then it takes just a little bit to keep it moving, right? And that's what it's like when you get into the habit of exercise. This is never the case, just so you know. For those of you who have tried using this excuse, I'm too tired to exercise, that's never, ever, ever the case. And the truth is that when you exercise, you'll no longer be tired. It's never, I'm too tired to exercise. It's when I exercise, I will no longer be tired. Nothing kills that feeling of depression or anxiety than hard exercising. So for those of you who are dealing with any emotional, like any psychological or emotional issues, oh my gosh, you shouldn't just do exercise because it's a good idea. You should do it because it's an absolute necessity for you. And it's hard exercise to really put everything you can into it, because it literally changes your brain chemistry and how you perceive how much pain you're feeling. Exercise is something that when you do it regularly, it reduces perceived pain. Those of you who are suffering from pain, if you want to experience less of it, you actually want to get more exercise.
Yeah, it's amazing. The endorphins, they help you with your mood. Some of you guys have been feeling really low, or you're feeling frustrated, or you're having the 5-week crash and burn. Exercise helps reduce cravings for bad foods. It gives you a sense of happiness and euphoria. You feel accomplished. I mean, I've never seen anyone go, I'm so disappointed that I exercised today. And it never happens. You always feel this accomplishment, and it makes you crave healthy foods, and it helps you sleep better, et cetera, et cetera. Right. So it's really the best thing you can do if you're feeling up to it.